We are back with another video. This video is going to be completely health and fitness related, seeing as I am well and truly in my Sammy Active program. I've been vlogging the whole way along, so I'm sort of coming to you from the end of the video and putting it in at the front. Sorry I've been a bit MIA. November has been a month of focusing on me, my health, my wellness, my mental health as well as my physical health. I've missed you guys. I'm so glad to be back, and I'm so excited for the festive season. December is literally a week away, so it's time to hustle for 1 month, but also to start winding down towards the new year. I haven't fake tanned. I have really not been wearing much makeup at all, really letting myself just renew myself, and in the next week or so I'm going to try go get my hair done, get my eyebrows waxed, and do a few little fun treatments for myself. I'm eating whole foods. I've found alternatives to all the chocolate and lollies I eat. I've been eating panna chocolate and pico chocolate, so dairy free, and incorporating so many more vegetables in my diet, just making healthier choices in general. So then also on top of that, because of the challenge, I was lucky enough to have the Iconic reach out to me and send me a whole heap of workout clothes for me to wear. They have sponsored a portion of this video for me, which is amazing, so thank you so much to the Iconic. I'll leave all the links of everything that I got sent down below, and I'm going to do a bit of a try on for you guys, because I know that activewear can be kind of hard to buy online because you can't really see how it's going to feel, so I sort of wanted to try it all on and give you a feel for all of the stuff that I chose off their website, but I'll leave all of the links down below in the description. So yeah. Just got sent the most amazing package from the Iconic. They've just stocked me up with all of this new gym gear because they heard I was doing my challenge. I'm going to try all of these on for you guys and show you. First outfit and shoes today. So here's my first outfit. I wore this in a session this morning. Super cute. The thing that I love so much about this outfit is that these leggings are just a nice standard black pair of leggings, but they're really comfortable and easy to get on. I really like these leggings. They suck me in, nice and high-waisted, and such a cute little matching bra. And a cute crossback. This one is probably one of my favorites because of the color. I love this workout top. It's such a pretty shape. Like, I feel like I'd actually wear this top just with a pair of jeans. It's really cute. So this is the Lily Bod outfit. So we've got a nice white singlet and some beautiful navy leggings. These leggings, again, nice and comfy and high-waisted. Really feels like it's sucking me in all the right spots. And it's just a really flattering color. These are some great everyday black bike shorts. I feel like it's hard to find a really good mid-sized pair of shorts either. I feel like they're really booty shorts or they're sort of more 3/4. So I really like the length of these ones. They're so good. Has that really nice high structure up here, but then has a really cute back. So I really like this one. It's got a zip pucker in the back as well, so you can take it on walks and bring, you know, your card or phone or whatever else. And then finally we got a mid-waist option. This one is the Reebok outfit, and I've got this really cute baby pink bra with the contrast black straps. It's also cross-bodied at the back, and just different leggings. So nice plain black leggings, also really comfy, just more low-waisted. I am literally beyond lucky. They've sent me 4 pairs of new sneakers, so Daisy, it's your lucky day. We're going to be sharing. Lucky you've got a big foot like me. I am literally obsessed. These are probably my favorite ones, these New Balance ones. These ones are amazing as well, and I've heard the best things about these Asics. I feel like they're really amazing for running. I'm not a runner, but it would be really good to train in, so I love the look of these ones. These ones are super cute as well. These ones are Reebok, and they're pink. They've got a nice pink tinge to them. These ones are amazing too. I don't know which ones I'm going to be able to give away, but these are just a really cool pair of Nike black plain ones. If you guys have seen my sneakers that I wear though, they are just absolutely ripped to shreds, so I needed a new pair anyway, so I'm very excited about this.
Like you did 10 burpees and 20. I was like, I don't know it. I did not know it.
So we're going super hard. One and that top of the end.
Oh!
10 seconds.
We have Tweedledee and Tweedledum over here, ripping up leaves all over Mum's carpet. Is that what you're doing? Yes, you love to make a mess of this office, don't you? Both of you. It feels like every time I speak to you, it's like a long time no speak, but I feel like that's just life now. I just dropped the puppies off for a haircut, so I'm sad. And I'm having a green juice. Firstly, I haven't vlogged last week. Again, I'm just a broken record at this point. You guys are sick of hearing me go on and on about how I feel like I need to consistently make. I feel like my channel's become a once every 2 weeks kind of channel. I bought so many bananas for this challenge because I've just become a banana addict. This morning I'm making our banana protein pancakes. So I'm doing 2 eggs, 1 banana. I've been concentrating on eating all whole foods. So I've completely cut out all of my processed sugars, really natural sugars. So trying to convert myself from eating like packets of lollies every day, drinking Diet Cokes and drinking sweeteners and things every day. And just had a really bad habit of not eating the most nutritious foods. Always just eating what was convenient, never putting effort into, when I did cook, I possibly wasn't making the healthiest choices. To now really concentrating on getting nutrients in my diet. So making sure I'm having protein with every meal and getting like a lot of vegetables in my diet. And making sure that there's always either fruit or veggies in every meal that I'm eating. By the way, I'm using the Inner Beauty Support Body protein. 1 banana, 2 eggs, 2 scoops of this, and then you mush it all together. I'm actually gonna put some cinnamon in because I'm still trying to improve my skin. My skin has improved. I think I'm gonna add some almond milk to this actually because I added so much protein powder, it's very thick. This pan is so hot. Oh my god, that's smoking. I was talking for too long and I've already burnt my first pancakes. Presentation has never been my strong suit. I've pretty much burnt all of them, but I'm gonna add some coconut yogurt on top. This is the yummiest coconut yogurt I've ever had. So I'm gonna have a bit of this, a bit of honey. Is my brekkie. Nice, nutritious, filling, healthy, delicious. Here is my lunch. I'm having 1 piece of rye sourdough with avocado and kimchi, and I'm having 1 slice of peanut butter, and I just use the PIX peanut butter because it's just all 100% peanuts. Put olive oil, lemon, salt and pepper as well. It's a Thai green curry night. We've got all of our herbs, coconut cream. We're gonna load it with veggies. We're putting chicken. Kronk's here this time.
Hello.
Hi everyone, so I'll show you guys the result. I'm gonna put lots of fresh ingredients in this one. We're making our own Thai green curry sauce. We've got cumin, ginger, garlic, basil, coriander, lime. We have some fish sauce, salt and pepper, coconut milk into that mixture. How it's looking, and we're just gonna throw in our homemade Thai green curry sauce. Oh, it smells so fresh. This is the result. It actually tastes incredible. We've got lots of veggies, lots of goodness in there, and some... I always find it so funny watching myself and watching these back because I just remember the sessions so clearly. So I always know what we have before we get started. So we start off each session with our warm-up. A little bit slower, 3,
3, 2, 1. Perfect. Breathe in as we come down. Breathe out. All right. Hold 6. Hold 7. Good. Seven's going to keep count. So when we crunch, like I was saying before, thinking about rolling the spine. 2, 1, and
My abadabbas. I've been looking everywhere for my vlogging camera. I always put it somewhere. How cute is this necklace? This is Jade's collection with Amber Secrets. Amber Scents or Seeks. Sorry, I actually have no idea how to say that. I'm making brekkie now. I'm going to do 2 eggs. I'm going to do eggs on toast. I've got this delicious, the most delicious seeded bread. Cracking, so I've got 1 egg and I'm cracking 2 eggs. Week 1 we had the challenge of doing, obviously, drinking no coffee, no alcohol, and or no alcohol, concentrating on like sort of the foods that we're consuming. I'm gonna make truffle eggs. Truffle salt is what I bought. Oh yeah, this just got real good. I'm making scrambled eggs, by the way. I have decided to get rid of dairy. I actually, interestingly, eat so much dairy in my diet. I have a lot of yogurt every night. I have a lot of cheese on my pizzas and just like sour cream on my Mexican bowls. So I have mayonnaise on everything. So if I make sandwiches, I put mayonnaise on everything. Although maybe mayonnaise is dairy free now that I think about it, because it's eggs and like vinegar. I've also been putting these hemp seeds on everything. There's also omega-3 fats and protein. So I've been sprinkling these like either on my coconut yogurts or on my toast or like even in my dinner. They're kind of flavorless, so for an indecisive person, we have some truffled eggs. Oh, there goes my fridge. And for dessert, we have some peanut butter, banana, and hemp seeds on seeded bread. Oh, yeah, that looks so good. So we have Carlo coming over in like 15, so I'm going to go into the office just to eat this. And then we have a few fittings for some stuff. We're designing so much right now, guys. Got the February collection done, April is pretty much done. We're even working on some June stuff. This singlet is just launching. But yeah, so I'm wearing my Aspen jeans and my new gorgeous tape yarn singlet, which is new. So there's lots going on in 1 mile. Alright, so week 3 challenge is a gentle juice fast, as Kate likes to say. We're doing it with Orchid Street. So my first smoothie is a yang smoothie, but this is almond milk, banana, rice protein, coconut milk, dates, cinnamon. I forgot to show you guys my next juice. I had a green juice for sort of morning tea, and then now I'm having a vegetable broth with miso. It's got like lots of yummy, really healthy ingredients in it. This is my next juice. It's called Roots Unearthed. It has carrot, beetroot, lemon, and ginger. It's actually really, really yummy. And for dinner, I have a pumpkin soup. It has vegetable stock, pumpkin, celery, white miso, tahini, ginger, olive oil, lots of yummy, delicious things. So I'm gonna have that and some mashed up avocado. Happy Saturday. It's 4 p.m. I'm just writing out my ingredients list for this week. I thought I would let you know what I'm getting. I usually choose 3 meals from the meal plan for that week, but as for the fresh ingredients, I've been grocery shopping once a week only, and just topping up on fresh ingredients. I top that up each week, and then I just use the consistents that I bought week 1. I'll write this list out and I'll show you guys what's on my list for this week. Feel free to screenshot this if you want, and excuse my handwriting, I just jotted this down really quickly. These are all the fresh ingredients that I'm gonna get. Lots of veggies so that I can just fill up my meals with veggies. These are the proteins I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna get some coconut milk for the curry and some hummus. I have an obsession with the Chobani flips, and because they're dairy and I'm just trying to cut dairy out this month, I have been having coconut yogurt, and Nacula coconut yogurt is incredible. It tastes delicious. And then I'm just gonna get those fruits. These are the pastas I'm getting, snack, popcorn, organic, and these are the chockies I'm getting. And then I thought as well you could screenshot this back page in case you wanted to know what the staples were that I got for my pantry for this challenge. I won't go through all of it, but basically this is everything that I've been adding to a lot of my meals. A lot of it's for flavor, so a lot of the herbs and spices are for flavor to add to your meals. You've obviously got your fillers, your carbs, and I like to buy my bread from my local bakery. They do like a beautiful spelt sourdough and a seeded sourdough, so I do that separately. I'm about to make some granola. I'm going to make a large batch in here, put it in the oven so that everyone in the house can eat it. I'm still in my bikini. It's actually a bit of an awkward view for you. I've put my cute skirt on. This is my new 1 mile tape yarn skirt. It's such a gorgeous summer skirt. I've added this detail here where there's a seam here and this part here floats a little more, so it's got that really floaty movement. And you can see up close, it's a beautiful tape yarn. Right, so raw oats. I'm gonna roughly pour it all in. Also, I have preheated the oven to 180 degrees. Hemp seeds are a great source of omega-3s, protein and fats. They're rich in fiber. I don't like too many cacao nibs though, because I actually don't like it too chocolatey. I like it more honey. I love sunflower seeds. Roughly the same amount of coconut. Roughly chop the nuts. There are flies everywhere because the honey's out. No. I love, these are my favorite nuts in granola. Walnuts, honeyed, are unreal. These are so much easier to chop, so roughly chop these up too. Mix that around first. Baking tray. So we're going to do half a cup of honey, love vanilla, chia seeds, lots of cinnamon. If you just keep mixing, it all starts to sort of combine. Okay, so now you just want to spread it out evenly onto your tray, and we're just going to bake it. I'm going to put it in for about 10 minutes, take it out, like sort of stir it all around, and then you put it in for another 10 minutes and it goes nice and golden. So as you can see, this is how it comes out, and then you just move it around a bit and you can see underneath the bottom bits are still quite light, so you just want to give it a good mix around and then put it in the oven for another sort of 7 minutes. Is the final result. Look how yummy and golden it is. Super healthy, delicious with yogurt, coconut yogurt and fresh fruit. Okay, time to sort this catastrophe out. So it's Saturday night and we're being good, we're staying in, we've just done a whole heap of cleaning and washing and a bit of cooking. So I'm treating myself to a fish bowl for dinner. This one has kale, carrot, edamame, chicken, ginger and brown rice, you can see under there. And I have roasted sesame dressing. Whoa, too many. Got strawberries, 2 dates, do some banana, protein powder, to top the smoothie off, I've just put some of the homemade granola on it.